So the process to transfer crypto from spot wallet to funding wallet on Binance is quite easy and simple. So here I am logged into my account, and the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So once you are here, you need to go and tap on assets at the right bottom corner. So tap on assets. This would open up this overview. So you can see this is the overview. And what you need to do is you need to go and tap on spot. So at the top, you have overview, spot, funding, and futures. Tap on spot and wait for this to open. Once this is open, to transfer from spot to funding, tap on this third button, that is transfer. So it is deposit, withdraw, and transfer. Tap on transfer. Now you need to select from and to. So you need to select for the from, you need to select the spot, and for to, you need to select funding. So select funding. And here you need to select the coin. In my case, I will be searching for the USDT. So you can select any coin, Binance or BNB or whatever you coin you want to transfer. So once now you need to enter the amount. So for example, I will enter one, confirm transfer. Okay. And now if I go to funding, so you can see the $1 has arrived. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to transfer crypto from spot wallet to funding wallet on Binance. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.